GitHub is the home for all developers, a platform where you can share your work with the world, fork projects, collaborate with others, and create your own software. Codespaces and GitHub Copilot set the stage for a new era of developer productivity, enabling you to focus on what matters most, your code. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of AI with GitHub? Yes, so Microsoft has announced the GitHub Universe Cloud Skill Challenge. So it will launch within 11 days. Okay, so here you can register. You can see here that this will be started from October 30, where you can register now, and it will go on till November 30. That is 1 month of time you have. So before we proceed further, I would like to tell you that this is my channel, Goms Tech Talks. If you haven't subscribed it, please go and subscribe now. And if you want to join as a member of my community, please click here to join. So what is the purpose of subscribing to my channel? So you can find various playlists here, exclusive playlist for everyone, right from the students towards the professors, research, Microsoft Dynamics 365, challenges, skilling up, free courses with certifications and everything you can explore here. So let us go back to the challenge today. So this is GitHub Cloud Skill Challenge. So if you want to register here, you can click here to register. So once if you click register, it will ask you to enter your mail ID. So once you enter your mail ID, it will show you this agreement. So you have to click here, I have read the agreement, and you can join here. Okay, so you can just go and start exploring the Microsoft Learn, like what are all the topics which they are planning to cover in this. Okay, so here actually you will be learning about GitHub and the Copilot. So let me show you that first. So what are the topic which you will be learning through this particular course? Okay, that is this particular challenge. So you will be learning a lot of challenges which are specifically focused on understanding GitHub and how GitHub will be used along with the like Copilot is used in the GitHub. So recently we got the announcement here, okay, where you can see these are all the planned content you will be learning. So week 1 it will be Git fundamentals, which is 22 hour 1 minute. So once if you right click here, it will open the study plan. Even if you want to start right from now, you can start and explore more. And next one will be GitHub and code spaces. So this is 1 hour 39 minutes. So you can understand what is GitHub and what is code spaces in GitHub. Then you will be learning about GitHub Copilot here. So introduction to the GitHub Copilot and everything. And finally, you will be learning about the challenge project. This is very exciting. You have to challenge, you will be learning a challenge project here where everything is under Microsoft Learn. Okay, so this is the challenge project where upon completing all these content, you will be ready to face this challenge. So this is an exciting opportunity for everyone who wants to go with the learn the GitHub with AI and the code spaces and everything. Okay, so you have to join here to challenge and to discover essential AI tools to boost your skills. Get ready to explore the world of possibilities. So during this challenge, as I showed you, you will be diving into understanding various things: GitHub, Git, Copilot, and code spaces. Okay, and these tools offer an amazing experience for AI beginners, providing the foundation for collaborative and efficient AI development, access to a supportive community, and skills needed to succeed in the field. And the best part is, after you complete this challenge, let us see, like you can just go and check the FAQs. Okay, so how do I start the challenge? How do I complete the challenge? What should I do if I'm having an issue with the sandbox? How can I tell if I have completed the challenge? Okay, so how you can tell it? Models have completed challenges, started counts onwards, how it's a leaderboard calculated, how can I see, how can I sign up, how can I change if my challenge has a price, so how can I contact the support, all these things. So what are the things you will be getting, so you can easily see here. Okay, so GitHub is a home where you can find it, so you can compete it, you can learn something, and you can develop a skill. Okay, so what happens once you have enrolled, you can also see that. So once you have enrolled it here, you can you can just start learning about this. Okay, so is while you're waiting for, go and register here. I'll be sharing this link in the description. Please first go and register here and start learning. So stay tuned for more information on your on um, stay tuned for more information about these such challenges and free courses where you can learn and explore more. Also check out my blog, which I have given in the description link. You can follow that, where I'll be sharing updates about all these challenges and the thing. Okay, so yes, I hope you will be starting it soon and start learning and complete it within 30 days so that you can explore more. Thank you. Take care and bye bye.